Hi there, I'm Matthew, one of the lead lighting designers at Ambassador's Lighting Division. Ambassador Lighting is a legend in the outdoor lighting arena. We've been in the lighting industry for the past 18 years and we are specialized in landscape and facade lighting projects. First of all, we acknowledge the success of our lighting division comes from our lighting experts who design fabulous lighting fixtures matching high-end lighting requirements. Our outdoor lighting products are completely designed by Ambassador Lighting Canada, and we have 3 manufacturing units across India, Thailand, and Canada. We are completely project-based and we work on large-scale residential, hospitality, and corporate projects. We can either design, build, and install, or build to your design. We work with major architects, corporations, and developers around the globe. We are gifted with a wide collection of outdoor lighting fixtures for both landscape and outdoor segments. As we are completely project-based, our lighting collections usually outnumber large-scale manufacturers elsewhere. Ambassador Lighting is involved in projects across Southeast Asia, the Middle East, and Europe. Ambassador Lighting is a legend when it comes to large-scale projects. Our process is quite straightforward and we can cut down on time wasting and money by working directly with clients and delivering the most durable solutions. Ambassador Lighting is characterized by unique designs, extreme durability, and steadfast customer service. Contact our regional factories and offices for more information. Ambassador, your partner in lighting.